Got a package from Custom Tuning. Shout out to Custom Tuning. This one is not a sponsor. Please sponsor me. If you're wondering who I murdered, I didn't. We're in the process of doing the interior trimming, making it all white leather. It's a process, but we had to get most of the red back off that was underneath it. So, been waiting on it for maybe a week now. It's been something that I've been wanting, because now that I have the SU rear bumper, it's just been lacking a little something. So I got that something in the mail today. Let's open this bad boy up. 1 flap, 2 flaps, 3 flaps, 4 flaps. Oh man, there's a lot more to this than I thought. Okay, so first thing, this is the V2 diffuser by YOFER. YOFER makes body kits for the Gen 8 Camry. Kind of forgot my hands are dirty. I have a box cutter. So since y'all decided to come watch this video, first set of this is, that is the diffuser. Don't mind this hole in the middle, that's for the third brake light, but we got something coming for that. I'll show y'all the one that comes with the package. We're not doing it, nuh-uh. Got the stock diffuser on the bumper. It's a little more sporty than the last one. As y'all know, y'all saw that video. Just for right now, test fit. Come back here. Oh my God, dude. The camera doesn't even do it justice, but that thing is gonna look sick. This is obviously just the test fit, just setting it on there. But you have those, and then in the package, it comes with, I'll have to look up and see what these are, because there's 3M layering in there. I think it's just like a rubber trimming that you put around something. Don't know what these are for. We'll look that up. Comes with screws and clips. I don't remember ever seeing people use the clips, but the screws will come in handy. YOFER 3M, and that's why I'm okay with using their 3M, because YOFER has always done pretty good. My spoiler has never had issues. My roof spoiler was not YOFER though. And then you have the third brake light, but it's red. And you're probably saying, JJ, put that one on. It matches your red taillights. Yeah, I don't care. We're switching those out. Those are gonna be clear taillights eventually, someday, not today. So we're gonna get a third brake light that's clear coming in. Let's put this back in here, keep it all together. This was a combo deal. This is a number 3 combo. You have this, and this is what I'm excited for. You have both of these. Here's why these are cool. These will coincide with the diffuser. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait till I'm mounted. But basically it's a little extension back here, but it wraps around right here. Adds to the whole shebang. Instead of it just being that's kind of lame. Then you got this. Dude, sick. What I'm gonna do is, I'm probably going to put this on before I get the third brake light, but I want to get under the car and make sure that I can see the hole for where the wire for the third brake light goes to. If I can, it's going on today. If I can't, it still might go on today because we got heat guns and shit. We'll figure it out. Probably going on today though. All right, so we're in our normal squatting position, like as we do. We're just gonna spray some of this all-purpose cleaner on here. And what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna really make sure that the entire surface of where we're putting this adhesion tape, because the last thing you want is the tape to grip dirty shit. Would you guys believe me if I said I just washed my car? That's how much just came off of that. I just washed my car.
Oh.
What?
Threw it at me.
Threw
it at me.
Yep, that's what I do. I be throwing things at you.
Oh my God. Okay, put it on the box.
You're just gonna take your YOFER adhesion tape that they send you so graciously. You're literally, I like to do a little bit extra because sometimes that first part that was holding it all in the roll isn't as sticky. Say that as if I didn't just try to use it. You're literally going to just line it up with the edge of the thing. You just want to keep applying pressure to the whole thing as you lay it down. Hot, I shouldn't put the hoodie on yet. And you gotta bite your lip for extra precision. Get it all the way up to here. And then the curved parts are a little tricky, but that's why you just kind of flan it as you're making these small curves, and it'll curve with it. Let that dangle there for a second. Go back through, give it a little extra pressure. Take your box cutters and slice away at the excess right there. Usually what I do is come at it from the side where the plastic is supposed to end, line it up, stab a hole through it, because then you can just get right back through and slice it off. without getting your fingers.
They're waiting on Daddy.
Guys, they might just be waiting on Daddy. Just an astute observation. To bring that back, that meme back. All right, pausing. Fuck. This segment is brought to you by Last Fit. Thank you again for another sponsorship. Even though I said they probably would never sponsor me again, guess what? They came back and did. Boom. Product placement. In this package, as y'all remember from the last Fit video, I said I didn't have the trunk light or the interior light. I'm gonna have to look it up real quick off camera, which one is which, but they sent them for the free. So let's get them put in. Let's start with the trunk since we're already back here. Throwback PlayStation 1, 2, Sim steering wheel. Mentioned it in the last one, I mentioned it in this one. So these are the trunk lights. Is this it? Huh. It's this light right here. Oh, I got it. Oh, I was so scared that I didn't have it. So we're gonna pull this wire through. All right. Please tell me you're still recording.
Yes.
So we gotta remember that goes like that, okay? Camera, disc comes off. It literally just slides off. That's for the viewers, but also for me to remember without it shattering in our hands, which always scares me about changing bulbs, but I don't think they shatter. Ooh, they send us two. That's so nice of them. We only need one. If it ever goes bad or blows, we got another one. Yep, and then it just clips back in. So then, what we're gonna do, we set these bad boys right here. We set that there, go back up in here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this in and just make sure it works. Where's the gun? That's it. No, it goes on this side, right? Oh yeah, first try. That's a white LED. Plot twist, I did not put the black part on properly. Sure, how the fuck I just did that. Cameras are back cut on, and with movie magic, this is now in. And look at that, it actually illuminates in the daytime. That's so much better than that ugly ass, orange ass shit. Probably shouldn't cuss as much in a sponsorship video. Editor, bleep it out with. What would be a funny noise to bleep it out with? It's gonna be more work for me, so make it easy.
Do like a fart sound.
I'll just record an authentic one from you. Yeah, so that's the light. I don't know if I'll show y'all it at night. Probably will. I might. Probably will. I'm going to. This is good for if you're ever kidnapping somebody. They have better lighting, so they can figure out a game plan while they're in there. Might as well make it cozy for them. I mean, they're gonna be in there for a while.
Don't look at me when you do that.
Maybe I should show you the trunk light again.
Go. Go.
Anyway, so now we're on the inside. This piece for me is a little bit easier to pull out simply because my headliner was redone. No, that's how you get it off.
It's also attached to the headliner.
Yeah, because the adhesive. No. Technical difficulties again. Oh, that one's just broken. All right, well,
why are you whispering?
Because I'm concentrating. A noise I don't think it should make. This is really hard. Okay, wait, it's back in. So how do you do that? So scratch all that. Don't take that shit out. There's a notch right here. You grab a screwdriver. I hope that my headliners has been removed. Hold on, I'm grabbing the screwdriver. BR Bizzle. Bizzler has been grabbed. I think you. How the hell am I supposed to get that out? On God, that's on. My ear's ringing. Am I having a stroke? What if this is my other package?
Every time we're doing car stuff, another package comes.
I hope it's a package for me.
Nope, they're going past us.
Guys, am I acoustic? I'm drooling. If in doubt, put it on the ground. Without letting that come out. Guys, I promise it's not that hard. Those are the things I hear rattling every time I make a hard turn.
Yes.
Don't litter. I thought it was my headliner, like seal.
You need little fingers?
No, you need it to... Yeah. Taylor's got little baby fingers, so she's gonna try and... Maybe I should watch that part of his video. I might have just shit my pants.
I think you did. I can smell it.
Yeah, but the fart was 35 seconds long. We've only been recording for 22 seconds, never mind. Anyways, got the bulb out. My guess is the side that it goes in, but is there a positive and a negative? So that's the light. It looks the same. How in the hell?
I pushed that little metal thing back and it just fell out. Well, you might have to push it in there first and then like that.
Oh yeah. And that is a white interior light that matches those. Look at God. I promise it's not that hard. I'm just like slightly a certain R word. I probably can't say that either.
Just say acoustic.
Yeah, because that's so much better. So yeah, don't take that as it's hard. Now you have a video to know how to do it properly. And yeah, part of my issue is this is not fully mounted in because my headliner is, oh my God, did I actually not mount it in? That actually might be the most in it's ever been. Thanks for tuning in to today's sponsored segment. Now back to the original video. Damn, do I gotta do this shit with my eyes closed? This is why they say wear safety goggles. All this rock, all these rocks and stuff. Look at all that. That's one out. What we don't want to do is snap the clip. Because these are important. The other ones, not so much. 2 clips out.
Last one.
Nope. Second to last one. Probably can't even see, can you?
No, I can.
Oh, fuck. I'll try this way. The amount of leaves that I hear in there rustling around is funny. They did a pretty good job cutting the... He got my bumper a little bit, though. That is all leaves.
You're gonna explain what you're doing?
So I'm putting it back in place so I can now put the clips back in the holes. So for that part, I'm just gonna play those clips in reverse. We just held this in place, got it adhesed. That bitch ain't going nowhere. It's very warm right here. I don't know why. Probably because it's black plastic and it's sitting in the sun. Titanium. Now, when we go back, not fully under the car, but I'm going to put this in place to make sure I'm putting the screws exactly where they go. I feel like this is the wrong one. No, it's not. Why'd this fit earlier? That's how it's supposed to fit. It's supposed to fit just like that. That's supposed to touch there, and that goes down there. So let me figure out where these screws go first. Duh. Wait, there's supposed to be a clip right here. Oh well, I guess the screw replaces the clip? Crip? We're cripping? That we need to clean it first?
No, it's the second part.
We need to clean it first.
Did we not just wash our cars yesterday?
There's always that to account for. I need to figure out why this is not perfectly fitting though, because it was earlier, and I don't think this goes on first. That wouldn't make sense. So we're on our way to Michael's first because they close sooner. Try not to wreck her mom's Jeep. They're reliable. Oh, she put all the purple in.
Yeah.
Look, show. She put all the purple in. It looks good.
You didn't see her little hitches are purple too?
Or what?
Her hitch?
Or what?
Her hitches.
What are hitches?
I'll show you when we get out.
Like the door hinges?
No. Hitch, like the little hook.
Oh, yeah. But that's been purple.
No, it hasn't. Anyway, we're going to Michael's first.
Going to Michael's first to get the red paint pen for
The stitches.
the stitching on the leather pieces.
Then we're going to Home Depot for nuts and bolts.
Then we're going to Home Depot to get nuts and washers so I can try and secure this stuff in without those plastic clips that are being a pain in my dick right now. But you know what I just thought about? The screw might not fit through that hole anymore, and I just drilled it bigger. It should, because the thing is, it has a circular top, so like that hole was not that big.
No.
If it was, the plastic would have fucking got. Dude, her alignment is ass. Anyway, stop the video. So these screws that I had, I went and got nuts for, and they fit at the store. Guess I somehow accidentally grabbed the wrong size. So I went in Taylor's garage, found some other screws that fit the nuts that I got. So now this is in here. This is not going anywhere. Nowhere. It is firm. It's in there. And now, the entire back end look has changed. Oh God. What do you think about it?
I like it.